A nice little quartz Cardinal watches, perhaps from 80s, maybe 90s. We are in Canada, it's a Canadian brand, and this one is for ladies. And it does say actually even water resistant, and does have a small number at the bottom, not sure what it, but it's not important. So the battery on this is a 377, which is a thicker kind of button battery, but I didn't have the thicker one, so I did use, try to look with the magnifying glass on it, LR 621, I believe, what's stamped on it. This one happened to be thinner. It's the same diameter, but it's just thinner. And basically, when I did remove, it has a small metal tab underneath. I just lifted gently that metal tab to keep it, to sit it higher. Basically, that's how it holds the battery, and it's running without issues. So in a moment, the tip how to remove it. Basically, this is the screw that holds the battery in place. So this screw here holds this tab. This tab is secure on the other end. I had to undo this screw exactly with what you see in the image. It's a box cutter, because this cut here, its slot is very thin. I do have screwdrivers for this, but I just didn't want to pull them from the box. So I just got put it sort of like this on side and unscrew it. Now the problem is, maybe you'll see, this is my index nail. Now you get an idea, the screw is crazy small. So to put it back in place, I think I've used anything metal, because the screw has a little bit of magnetism to it. Anything metal just to drop it in there, but it's really fiddly. You may want to use another plastic tool to keep it in place. Once you get it in there, just try to unscrew it just like that. Careful not to touch anything and damage. But it's fiddly, and basically you need to remove this screw and just pry the battery from the side, this spot. It's going to just keep the mechanism down with the left hand, and then just pop it like this. It's going to lift this tab enough to slide the battery out. This metal tab stays in place. And again, you can use the smaller, thinner batteries. Now, it's funny because this thing, I'm not sure if you can tell, right here, it says 1 joule. So it does have a joule. I actually did run it for 1 day. Let me just compare with my other watch. Yes, it's pretty accurate. I cannot tell you in seconds, but it's surprising. And this is again a Canadian brand, I believe. Cardinal also had a deal with Russia, not Russia, but USSR, the communist Russia, on mechanical watches. I believe they were selling Cardinal watches with a Raketa mechanism inside or something like this. So this one happens to be a quartz, and the movement is Myota, made in Japan, it says here. And it's a good movement. I mean, you can buy this for very cheap on eBay, and it's a good quality movement, accurate movement, and well worth purchasing. The case is not a great quality, but this one happens to be 30 meters water resistant, so it's enough. And yes, that's how you remove and replace the battery.